Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete machine learning roadmap designed for beginners and future professionals. I'll go step by step from the fundamentals to creating real-world projects with absolutely no prerequisites required. If your aim is to learn machine learning the right way, this course is for you, so let's dive in. So here is the complete machine learning roadmap. I would like to make a quick note that I will try my best to post 1 to 2 videos per week and talking about theories and concepts, and also depending on how the course is flow, I will be doing real world projects. The audience targeted in this course is for absolute beginners and basic learners. No prerequisites required because I'll be teaching Python, which is the basic language required for machine learning. In module 1, I will be talking about machine learning basics, what's artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learnings, what are the types of machine learnings, supervised learning that comes from labeled data, unsupervised learning, introduction to deep learning. In module 2, I will be teaching you the basics of concepts based on, we're going to use Jupyter Notebook. This is a very simple browser-based interactive environments through which we can run, debug the codes, and write documentation within it as well. The basics that I'm going to talk about are what are the data types, special data types, operators, if-else statements, loops, functions. In general, I'll be covering everything you need to start working on developing machine learning projects. In module 3, I'm talking about the libraries that we need to use them in developing our projects concerning the machine learning. They are basically, particularly, these are NumPy, specifically for numerical computation, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn. This is for visualize the data, Scikit-learn, and this tool or library is used extensively to do machine learning algorithm and train the data. In module 4, I will be talking about data collection and processing, data sources, using API to import data sets, how to clean the data and handle missing values, data standardization, and pre-processing. In module 5, this is pure mathematical basics to cover linear algebra essential, calculus fundamentals, statistics, and probabilities. Those are important to understand the theory behind algorithms and to understand really how they work. Module 6, fundamentals of machine learning models. What is it, and how to choose the right model for specific problems, how to optimize the models, and how to evaluate it. In module 7, I will be talking about the classification models, which include logistic regression, support vector machine, decision trees, and random forest, naive Bayes, and can. And all these are theories. I'll talk about them in theory and also will build them from scratch. Also in module 8, I will be talking about the regression modules, which are linear regression, lasso regression, support vector machine, decision tree, and random forest. All of these will be covered as theory and we will build them from scratch as well. In module 9, I'll be talking about unsupervised learning, clustering for clustering models. That includes k-means clusterings, hierarchical clusterings. Also, they are going to be in theory and practical to build them from scratch. In Module 10, we'll talk about the association modules for unsupervised learning. The two basic algorithms to use are a priori and a CLA. Those are association rules for used in machine learning to discover frequent item sets, and association rules, example, customers who buy X often buy Y. Also, those will be covered in theory and building, and we will build them from scratch. For hands-on machine learning projects, we'll be implementing many. Some of them to mention here are face recognition system, rock versus mine prediction, diabetes prediction, house price prediction, fake news and loan status prediction, etc. As a quick note, to complete this machine learning courses, it needs usually 2 to 3 months depending if you spend 10 to 15 hours per week. So good luck.